Students, in this video we will see how to construct the triangles when given sum of two sides or difference of the two sides of the triangle. Before we start with this, we need to revise a few basic things related to constructions. That is, how to draw an angle at a point equal to a given angle without using the protractor, or how to draw the perpendicular bisector of a line segment. So first we will revise it. Suppose here this is a line segment and we need to bisect it, or we need to draw its perpendicular bisector. So we will mark the two ends of this line segment. Then we will open our compass such that its width is more than half of the length of this line segment, approximately. Okay, we are not measuring with the scale, but approximately check. This is surely more than half of the length of this segment. And then we put sharp end, we take one end of the line segment as center and draw one arc both the sides of this line segment. Same thing will be done without changing the width of compass, that was more than half approximately of the line segment length, and we will draw one arc at each side of the line segment. Check the two arcs drawn from A and P, both the sides are intersecting. We will mark these points and then join them. This one is surely going to be perpendicular, as well as point P is the midpoint of AB. This you have studied in class 7 just for revision. Now here I am having one angle at P, and I am supposed to draw angle which is having exactly equal measurement as that of angle XPY at some other point Q. Suppose I need to draw angle at Q equal to angle measurement having measurement equal to that of at P. So what shall I do? First of all, we'll draw a ray. One ray can be drawn everywhere. Okay. Now at Q we will draw the angle, naming it QM. So the method is, when we have to draw angle equal to this angle, we open our compass, then we will draw an arc, opening it little bit, an arc from P, taking P as center. I am rubbing it so that just to avoid the confusion of arcs. Okay, now I am taking this P as center and drawing an arc. This arc should cut both the sides, both the arms of the angle. Okay, now using the same width at Q where I am supposed to make the angle, I will make an arc, taking this as center and taking the arc. This arc which is drawn from taking Q as center should cut this line segment, जिसको कि आप एक आर्म बनाने जा रहे हो. Now again coming to this angle, we will open our compass equal to the width of this arc. Okay, you drew it first, taking this as center, cutting both the arms of the angle, and now I have just open it up from here to there, this point to this point. And now using the same width of the compass, I will choose this point as center where the arc drawn from Q as center cut this arm here, and then we will find the point where the two arcs are intersecting each other. Join Q and this point of intersection. These two points are joined. Definitely this angle and this angle will have the equal measurement. कौन से angles? Angle XPY. I'm naming it somewhat. This naming this angle also QMN will be equal to angle QMN. Okay, so this is the method how to draw the perpendicular bisector and how to draw the angle at any point equal to the given angle. Now let us switch to exercise 11.2. Question 1. Construct a triangle ABC in which BC is equal to 7 centimeter, angle B is equal to 75 and AB plus AC is 30. So you are given one side, angle at one of the points of this one given side and some of the other two sides. See what are we going to do. First of all, we will draw this one side given a single BC 7 centimeter, marking at 0 and at 7 and joining the two. Okay, I am drawing this line segment somewhat here. You will find why. Marking this point is B, this point is C, 7 centimeter in measurement. Then at B angle is given 75 degree. So we will use the protractor this time, and using the protractor drawing the angle 75 degree. Okay, now we will make a ray joining the 2 points, and this time we are going to make it a long ray. Why? After 2 minutes I'll let you. Okay, this ray is Bx, and now at B, selecting B as center, we will make a cut, we will make a mark on this ray such that that mark is equal to 13 centimeter. Here my scale is 15 centimeter long, putting 0 at B and taking it to 30. That's why I took the ray very longer. 30. I am marking it at 30. Okay, let us name it D. That was my ray BX. And this angle was 75. And I have chosen BD on BX such that BD is equal to 13 centimeter. 13 centimeter is the sum of the two sides given to me. Now, we will join C and D. Why is it taken 13? When I will be justifying the steps, that time you will come to know. Right now it is 13. Now see, which is the angle, measurement of the angle at D, that is CDB, this angle. We are going to draw same angle at point C and CD as one of the side, one of the arm. C पर एंगल बनाएंगे, D के मेजरमेंट के इक्वल, और उसकी एक आर्म CD है. तो ये मेरा पॉइंट है, ये एक आर्म है. अभी मैंने आपको थोड़ी देर पहले जो बताया था, आई एम गोइंग टू यूज इट. एंड फर्स्ट स्टेप, जिस एंगल के मेजरमेंट के इक्वल बनाना है, taking it as center, you draw an arc. Using the same radius, we will mark an arc taking C as center. And this arc should definitely cut the arm. ये arm हमको लेनी है. Now, we will arrange our compass equal to the width of previous arc. जिस एंगल के इक्वल बना था उसके बराबर. And then taking this point as center, that was this arm to be taken, and the previous arc cut the arm at that point. We are taking it as center and drawing an arc. The two arcs are cutting each other, marking this point, and see, we are joining the two. और इन दोनों को जब ज्वाइन करेंगे, we will extend the ray so that it is cutting BD. Here. Okay. The point where this arm is cutting BD, we will name it as A. And ABC is the desired triangle. Now see how. As when I mark, when I made the angle at C equal to that of at D, this angle and this angle are equal. So here the two angles are equal. Therefore, my triangle ADC is an isosceles. Correct? And if triangle is isosceles, two angles are equal, then the sides opposite to them will be equal. So side opposite to angle C is AD and opposite to angle D is AC. इसका मतलब है AC is equal to AD. Correct? Again check. BD. Is this BD equal to AB plus AD when I chose the point here? And here I am saying AC is equal to AD. Does it mean BD that was equal to AB plus AD, but when I made these two angles equal, that time I made AD and AC equal. So in place of AB, I may write AC. And now you will get why did we select BD as 13. This whole was 13. And see, now this BD can be written as AB plus AC. So that was the condition to be fulfilled. AB plus AC is 13. चेक बाकी दो कंडीशन ऑलरेडी बना के लाए थे 7 75 and now you chose A so that sum of the two sides is 13. You may write the steps very easily in brief. Whatever is done that is to be written. क्या क्या किया था हमने? Draw BC is equal to 7 centimeter. Then what we did? At B we drew angle 75 degree. So at B draw ray BX such that angle CBX is 75 degree. Correct? CBX. Then what you did? On CBX, you just mark D so that BD is equal to 30. That is the sum of two sides. So at BX, mark point D such that BD is equal to 13 centimeter. What was the next step? You joined C and D. Correct? Here. C and D were joined. Then what you did? Whatever was the measurement of angle BDC, you draw an angle equal to this angle at C. और वो उसका नाम क्या था? DCY. Let me name it Y. So here, at C, draw angle CBY is equal to angle ADC. How to draw that I will explain you. ADC and angle DCY are equal. Okay, this is DCY. I should have written like this. And then the point where ray CY cuts or intersects ray BX, name it A. The point where ray CY intersect BX or BD, name this point A. Then ABC is the desired triangle. These are the steps of construction.